Hello, my name is Dakota and I'm going to be showing you how to clean, maintain, and reproof your techwear clothing. Basically, the reason why you need to maintain your techwear clothing a special way and reproof it as time goes on is because the DWR on the fabric wears off over time and then it becomes less resistant to liquid. All the DWR is a floral polymer that gets sprayed on at the factory when the garment is made, and things like throwing it in the washer or just being exposed to elements in general or abrasion or dirt can wear it down and break down the polymer. So let me show you what I mean by the pants losing its water repellency. This is after about a year's worth of wear. See, the water does beat up still, but as you can see, like here and over here, and so it kind of soaks in a lot faster than it would have when I first got them. You're also going to need to make sure that the garments that you are reproofing are already cleaned beforehand, so I'm going to show you how to spot clean your clothes, which I recommend that you do with all of your techwear garments, because washing them will deteriorate the DWR unless you purchase the special laundry detergent that you can wash your technical garments in, which is made by the same people who make this reproofing agent. But spot cleaning is a lot easier and simple. So basically all I have is a cup full of water and a little bit of laundry detergent and this toothbrush, and you just use that to clean it. So let's jump right in. So this is my little way of spot cleaning all of my techwear clothes. I basically just get the solution of like the smallest amount of laundry detergent and mostly water, because you just want it to be kind of soapy, and you get your toothbrush that you don't need anymore or a new one or whatever. And you just scrub out the spots like that. You just simply do that, and once I'm done scrubbing out all of the dirt stains that are on here and food stuff and things like that, we'll be ready to throw them in the wash. I prefer to spot clean over just throwing my clothes in the washing machine, because the washing machine deteriorates the DWR coating infinitely faster than just spot cleaning the spots that really need it. Obviously, scrubbing it with the toothbrush, since it's friction and I'm using water and detergent and everything like that, it will deteriorate it as well, but it minimizes it a great amount. The most important thing is this Nik Wax here, which this is the special wash that you put into the washing machine with your clothes that will actually give it the reproofing. So you can find this at REI or other sporting goods stores. So now we're going to go ahead and see the difference now from beforehand. As you see, that water is just beating up, no problem. And don't want to pour it onto the ground, but yeah, it seems to have improved the coating a lot. So pretty happy with the results. I highly recommend the product. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. I'm going to be posting more in the future related to fashion and techwear in general, so look out for those. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'd be happy to answer them if it's pertaining to the method of washing or anything related to techwear at all.